Okay, let's go over how to draw Godzilla running kind of at the camera. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a line down for the eye area, down over here for kind of the rest of the under eye. He's got this pretty beady eyes compared to the rest of his head. Pulling up over here and doing almost the exact same shape on that side. Move that figure out of the way. Wiggle, 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 line right here. Over here in this area, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle all the way up. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle all the way up here. All the way up there in the middle. Angle over here, kind of for the top of his head, because he's leaning his head downward and forward. Line over here. He's got like a box shape for the front of his nose. So it's going to pull down, down for front of his snout. Line down over here, curve underneath, pull up. And we're going to pull back over here, pull back over here. Kind of the mouth looks a little interesting in that way. Maybe right here. I like his cheekbones to look kind of angular because I think he has like a more angular look. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you like these. Don't forget, helps the channel out. And yeah, you can always say hi in the comments. I love hearing your guys' thoughts. I'm still going to post on this channel. I'm going to post 2 times a week, every Thursday and Tuesday and Thursday. Downward over there, you got the teeth. Line over here underneath for the lower mouth. Line over here for the lower mouth. And curve underneath here, pull up. Line over here, line over here, line over here. Over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Let's go over here. I don't want those to be the nostrils. Those are just the shape of the nostrils are gonna be like right here at the front. Nostrils, they usually have like a big like ball right there and then a curve. Ball right here and then a curve. Like it looks like a comma. And check the worksheets out. There's Godzilla head drawing worksheets. I'm going to put the link in the description. Go, buy one. Go check it out. Buy one. Wow, they're free. I'm sorry. They're completely free PDF on how to draw the head of Godzilla. They're awesome. Go take a look. Line over here, kind of darkening out the area of the eye. Just kind of looks cool in general. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle along the edge. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle along the edge. He's, again, angling his head down. Out over here, down. Out over here, down. Down over here. And you got that jaw on that side. Yeah, looks kind of interesting in that pose. Go over here now. Wiggle, wiggle on the side. Wiggle, wiggle on the side. Because Godzilla's neck gets really big, as it goes downward. Curve over here for the top, curve over the top. And probably the end of his head is like over here, the end of his skull. This is more like kind of his back area. So I'm going to start over here with some spikes, like from the back over there. Those cool mountain-like spikes on his back. Let me know if you saw the movie, Godzilla X Kong, New Empire. If you saw it, say what's up in the comments. I want to hear that. There we go, right there. And let me know what else you want to see on the channel. I'm going to be drawing like, kind of like obviously through the season, but, we are going to be just drawing kind of anything monster related, I think, in the meantime. That's kind of, I might turn it into like a kaiju channel for the year. Curve over here, curve over here, curve over here. Line, line. Line, line. Back over here, we got his arm kind of like back over there, down. Line over here, arm down. Thumb over here, curve line over here, curve line over here, curve line over here. Downward over here, curve down, downward over here, curve down. Leg over here because he's kind of running at the screen, which is funny. Rest of his body over here, and line over here as well, like his legs are running. So let's see his bottom of his, you know, the foot over here, like the calf, going down here to the foot, right there. And maybe you can see some of the foot over here, but it's like behind there. And then let's go over here and put the tail. Curve. Line over here, line over here, line over there. Get the tail like floating out there. Let's go over here for his other arm now. Line, line. Think of the line like in tubes. That's really important. You want to really think of like this is like a tube from the shoulder to the elbow, and then from the elbow down. And then we're going to draw the thumb, the opposing thumb over here. Line over there. And then let's draw a couple of more spikes around his back, so that makes sense right there. Line over here as well. Everything else, I think, from this point on is going to be texture. So maybe we go over here, draw something like that. Curve, curve, curve. Line, line, line. Line downward. Everything's going to be little bumps, like these little curvatures, and you don't want to draw them very thick, because if you draw them thick, it's going to bring a lot of attention, and you don't want to do that. Curve over here. You're just thinking of like maybe the leg would be like a thin like right there, like a hashtag, and that's going to like indicate scales. If you want to really learn how to draw scales, I'm going to be posting a Godzilla drawing like program overall. Go take a look at that. I mean, I don't have it up yet. It's not created yet, but I'll put a link there if it exists by this time. But definitely the head drawing worksheets for Godzilla, for at least Legendary Godzilla, go get those right now. Those you can get immediately. Line over here, and then same thing with the tail. Exact same thing. Curve over here. Line over here. And you can kind of keep going as far as you want with it, but it's really up to you. You can draw like the tongue in the mouth there, and then you can draw like a little bit of dark here in the mouth to kind of, oops, I shouldn't have done that. I want to show his tongue a little bit more. Yeah, something like that. Line, line. Line. Curve, line over here. And there you go. Like, if you want to be able to draw Godzilla like this, like casually, right? Just kind of like as I'm talking, you know, you can kind of add to this. That's the thing. You add your own style and flavor to all of this stuff. I can add more scales. I can thicken out some lines. Again, it's really cool to do this. So I hope you kind of have that joy as well. Like, just stick around. I'm gonna be drawing tons of kaiju stuff on the channel. And yeah. Thank you so much. All right, I'll see you in the next video. What I want you to do is I want you to stay here or share the video. Share the video if you love it. But the other thing I want you to do is stay here. We're going to do another drawing lesson together, okay? Together we're doing it. Let's do it right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.